You ever try to sneeze and your body just cancels the update? Like I'm sitting there, eyes half closed, face doing that weird pre-sneeze loading screen.
And then nothing.
Bro, where did it go? You can't just start a sneeze and then ghost me like that. My whole soul was committed. I leaned forward. I braced for impact. I accepted my fate. Now I'm just sitting there looking stupid, like I forgot how breathing works. And the worst part? Your nose still feels like it's plotting something. Like it's in the corner whispering, "Don't worry, I'll be back." Then 10 minutes later, you sneeze so violently you see your ancestors. At that point, it's not even a sneeze anymore. It's a system reboot.